Hi friends, this is Rohan Jani. It is no secret that in order to be successful, each business uses a variety of software applications today in order to conduct their day-to-day activity. Software applications such as email, accounting, HR payroll, voice over IP are the lifeblood of most businesses that we encounter today. In this video, I'm going to be talking about cloud hosting versus on-premise, which are two methods through which each business can gain access to these software applications. Let's start with the on-premise option. In the on-premise model, your business is responsible for building a data center, which means you have to buy the servers, install the operating system and the database, and perform all security and maintenance upgrades on that infrastructure. The plus point is that you own your infrastructure, so you don't owe any money to anybody else from that point on. The negative point is that it comes at a higher initial capital expense and takes the dollar out of your pocket, which you could have rather invest in other areas of your business such as sales, marketing, etc. to drive up your revenue. So now let's switch over and talk about the cloud or software as a service option. Through cloud services, a third-party vendor hosts all of your software applications remotely in their own data center. The cloud model is highly efficient since you are sharing resources like CPU, storage, etc. with multiple tenants, and the third-party vendor is actually responsible for all the software upgrades and security patches. What it means is that you don't have any maintenance headache to deal with. From a cost standpoint, it's also very light on your pocket since you only have to pay for license and subscription fee, thereby again putting those vital dollars in your pocket that you could use for sales and marketing. So which one to choose, right? Is it going to be on-premise or is it cloud hosting? First and foremost, if your business is located in an area that has frequent disruptions like earthquakes, tornadoes, volcanoes, hurricane, flooding, wildfire, you should seriously look at hosting your services. If your business is hands-off on IT, meaning if you don't plan on hiring a lot of IT staff for maintaining your IT solutions, then your best friend is hosting services. If you need powerful computing resources but have a very limited initial budget, then hosting services will work out for you. However, before you get all excited and take that huge plunge into the hosting services, there are a few things you should keep in mind. First and foremost, you should make sure that you have a very solid bandwidth, by which I mean you should at least buy 2 data circuits from 2 different providers, so if one fails, you have a redundancy available to keep your business up and maintain that continuity with your cloud services. Also make sure that the cloud service provider has multiple data centers distributed around the world to keep your lights on. To that end, also you need to draw up a solid SLA, which is a service level agreement, which talks about the uptime, data security, data governance, which is extremely important. And lastly, if you are not very familiar with the hosting solutions, you should reach out to an expert to get their opinion. I hope you like this video and the comparison between on-premise and cloud hosting services. For those that are currently using the cloud hosting such as AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform, I would love to hear from you on what is your current preference and why. I'm so looking forward to talking to you all again next week through another exciting topic. Until that time, like, subscribe, and comment on this video so we can keep that communication going. Thank you very much and have a great weekend.